We all know that businesses thrive on quality partnerships. In order to predict, develop, fulfill, and customize the needs of various industries, Lacuna has always relied on trust and strong dialogue with its partners. And through years of listening to its customers, it has grown into a prominent manufacturer and distribution PPE regional company. Lacuna's range incorporates everything needed for professional work time, corporate time, and free time. From ready-made high-quality protective clothing and equipment, production and personalization, to its own line of organic clothing, all manufactured with world's leading innovative, sustainable, and protective fabrics. The question that drives Lacuna's research and development is, how could we make work easier for our customers and our partners? That's the reason why a fully transparent B2B webshop was designed in a way that customers can easily browse detailed product information, check availability and arrival of the items in the warehouse, order easily, view order status and history, as well as get personalized discounts. Every ordered item is delivered within 24 to 48 hours from Lacuna's large-scale logistics center to place of order, which enables our customers' business continuity and security. In many ways, work defines who we are. That's why it's important that we feel protected, comfortable, and free to do what we do best with partners that we can count on. Lacuna, stay protected.